Welcome you all to this maintenance engineering course, and the course code is ME6012, and this course is an elective course for the mechanical engineering students, regulation 2013. And in this video session we'll be studying about the repair methods for basic machine elements of unit 4, and we'll be studying briefly about the introduction to repair methods of a machine bed. So, introduction to repair methods of a machine bed. So, before going in depth into the content, the main objectives of this course is to enable the student to understand the principles, functions, and practices adopted in industry for the successful management of maintenance activities, and to explain the different maintenance categories like preventive maintenance, condition monitoring, and repair of machine elements. And the third objective is to illustrate some of the simple instruments that are used for condition monitoring in industry. So the syllabus for the fourth unit, repair methods for basic machine elements, you have this repair methods for beds, slideways, spindles, gears, lead screws, and bearings. And the students will be studying about the failure analysis, the failures and the development, logical fault location method, and the sequential fault location. So these are all the textbooks and the reference books for this course, maintenance engineering. And coming to the course outcomes, so upon completion of this course, the students will be able to apply the concept and principle of maintenance processes based on the industrial configuration from Unit 1, and the students will be able to analyze the maintenance categories, preventive maintenance, methods of lubrication, and total predictive maintenance upon completion of Unit 2. And the students will be able to illustrate appropriate condition monitoring techniques, including vibration, thermal, and lubricant analysis upon completion of Unit 3. And the students will be able to analyze the various repair methods for basic machine elements on completion of Unit 4. And also the students will be able to analyze the various repair methods for material handling equipments upon completion of Unit 5. So, introduction to repair methods, we'll be studying first about the repair methods of a machine bed. So here, this is the lathe machine in which you have this lathe bed. So most of the machine tool bed is made of gray cast iron, and this is because of its ability to absorb and to dampen the vibration that would arise during the functioning of the machine tool. And the most problem that occurs in machine bed may be the cracks. That is has to be repaired, and the repair of cracks can be repaired by either riveting or hot clamping. So these two are the most important repair methods. So coming to the repair by riveting, so riveting is nothing but a forging process that may be used to join parts together by way of a metal part called a rivet. So the rivet acts to join the parts through adjacent surfaces, and a straight metal piece is connected to the part. So then both ends are formed over the connection, so joining the part securely. And riveting is normally done with the headless copper screws in a definite order. So you can see from here, based on the size and length of the crack. So depending upon the crack size and length, and a suitable diameter, say D, is drilled. So you have to drill a hole of suitable diameter at the extreme ends of the crack. So at the extreme ends of the crack, suitable holes are drilled. That is the first figure. and so that the cracks does not extend. Then intermittent holes. So you can see here as 3 more holes has been drilled on the cracks, and this distance, that is the distance between these 2 holes, is 1.5 of the diameter of the hole. So the projected ends of the screws are then hammered to form a rivet head, and the riveting is strengthened. So that is how the repair by riveting is carried out. So next method is repair by hot clamping. So here you can see this bottom plate. You have a crack here, and a top plate is placed over that, and so this is a method of hot clamping, which involves clamping by means of additional screws and welded, and the welded deposition on the plate. So this is a method of repair by hot clamping. And next is the repair by scrapping. So here you can see the scraper is being used by this operator and is held at an angle of 20 degrees to that of the machine bed, and any extra projections or anything is that has been scrapped out by this scraper. And next is the repair by grinding in different position. So here that is grinded by using a grinding wheel, which is held at an angle of 3 to 4 degrees. And the second diagram figure is the finished grinding, and here you can see all this A, B, C, D. All these are the different positions of the grinding wheel. So this is a method by repairing the bed by means of grinding in different position. And next is the repair by machining. So here, when an average wear on the surface of the guide is more than 0.3 mm, so it is mostly advisable to go for machining first, and then it is advisable for scrapping. So the non-linearity obtained by machining on a planer is normally 0.03 divided by 1000 mm or above. So this is a method by machining, repair by machining. So with this we come to an end with this introduction to the 4th unit of the basic machine element. So thank you and have a great day.